Hey there, sculpting friends. I thought I'd just touch base with you and let you know what's happening these days. What I'm showing you right now is a faun that I'm working on. And she is going to be the subject of our next contest. I'm so excited. I think it'll be really fun to do this more fantasy, mythological type creature as well. But she's got a youthful body. This will be the one, I'll pattern the one that we make the videos out of will be similar to this doll, but I'll probably show you some options, like if you want to change your chest, make her a little bit older, and we'll have you either use this kind of horn or you can use antlers that are more faun-like. It's kind of either a faun or a satyr, something like that, but these legs, they're more like goat or deer legs, and so they'll have hooves at the bottom, and then there's going to be fur all down her legs here. And she'll have sweet little hands, sweet little face there, and then she'll have a little tail coming out of her bottom. And so that's the kind of creation that we're going to be making. So this one gives you a little bit of an idea what to expect. We're going to be doing it online this time. So most of the videos, it'll be more like an online course. We'll be starting it, I think, next Tuesday. And then I'll just start putting the videos up. We'll put our armatures together. We'll just follow along together and give ourselves at least a good 6 weeks to get the sculpture done. And then that'll be the contest. You'll have a kit that will have everything that you need for it. And we'll have these cool dark eyes for you. So you can have a kind of an animalistic effect, or you can use any eyes that you would like as well. So anyway, just wanted to let you know what's coming our way. And we're going to have a great time sculpting together.